Hi everyone, welcome to my third video about giving my opinions popular cat memes. But before I start the video, I have a question for you.
Nice.
On the off chance that we can't see air, can fish see water? Tell me your answer in comment. Okay, now let's start the video. When you hear a scary noise behind you and you're home alone. When your dad left in line at the cashier and he asked, will that be cash, credit or debit? When cat wearing grandma's dentures. Girl when they see a girl with their man. When you waiting some special one reply. Just remembering in childhood. Mostly children do the same. When you have very evil plans. When you say to others, do I look like I am joking? When your teacher asks about your homework. Every day a kitten cries, please don't drink and drive.